Well, good morning, my fine gardening friends. How the devil are you? Well, it's a nice, beautiful early morning here in equally beautiful Nova Scotia. And I'm just out checking the garlic, doing a bit of weeding. And I've noticed that all of a sudden, the garlic scapes are out, as you can see. And these are the flower stalks of the actual garlic, and this is what makes garlic itself anyway is one of those wonderful crops that I think we should grow more. You know, it's easy to grow, low maintenance, and then you can use it over such a long period, but it's also a bit of a double bonus. So if you cut these scapes off when they've got to this circular bit like so, when they've turned in on themselves, as you can see, and then cut them down around where my finger is, chop these up as an absolutely beautiful garlic flavour additive to your veg dishes, or to any of your dishes really. Sort of saute them, and I also chop them up and make mix them up with some basil and make some garlic and basil pesto, etc. Absolutely wonderful. So there we go, your garlic scape, and garlic in general. What a wonderful plant. So next month I'll be actually harvesting the garlic. So this is always a good sort of show and tell to me anyway, sign to say that the garlic is nearly done. The scapes are here. Wonderful. Job's a good one.